The VIMA is an initiative under the auspices of the Singapore Academy of Law's Promotion of Singapore Law Committee, together with SVCA as a joint partner. With the emergence of Singapore as a regional hub for startups and VC investments, there is increasing recognition and acceptance of Singapore law as the choice of governing law and Singapore as an international dispute resolution hub. However, there continues to be lack of standard form contracts in the VC industry in Singapore, unlike the US and elsewhere. The purpose of the VIMA is to enhance the venture capital investment process by providing a suite of standard form contracts for early stage financing. The goal is not to simply reflect and harmonize current contractual terms today in Singapore, but to come up with a set of balanced provisions for parties to work off. In creating the forms, the working group has collaborated and consulted with a diverse range of stakeholders, including venture capital firms, local and international law firms, and government agencies. The objectives are to serve as an indication of industry norms, to better balance both the interests of the founders and investors, and to reduce legal costs, time and effort in legal documentation, and to reduce friction amongst the parties during the negotiation process. By having standard forms, the parties can focus on deal-specific issues, leading to a more dynamic deal flow. The VIMA should also provide a good starting point on how a typical VC investment should be structured, but parties remain free to tailor and customize the transaction terms according to their deals. We hope the VIMA will promote the establishment of industry norms and provide a useful toolkit for VC stakeholders involved in early stage financing.